Have you seen an ad offering free handcrafted Viking jewelry with the only cost being shipping? The website is forgefjord.com, and it tells an emotional story. According to the site, a husband and wife team has spent years handcrafting Viking jewelry in a small American workshop. Now they're supposedly closing the forge forever, moving back to Norway, and giving away every remaining piece for free. All you have to do is pay shipping. It's a story designed to pull at your heartstrings. But is it true? Let's take a closer look. One of the first things that raises eyebrows is the urgency. The website says the giveaway is ending soon and displays a countdown timer. However, multiple shoppers report that when the timer reaches 0, it simply resets and starts counting down again. If that's true, it creates artificial pressure to make visitors buy quickly without taking time to research the website. Another concern comes from customer reviews. One buyer named Emanuele said that their order never arrived and that the ends today countdown keeps looping. Another reviewer, Darian, called the website a scam, claiming the products were never delivered. Meanwhile, Asia Kasianova said she found the jewelry advertised as handcrafted by Norwegian artists, but claimed that identical products could be found on AliExpress for only a couple of euros. If identical products really are available on wholesale marketplaces, it raises questions about whether the jewelry is actually handcrafted in the workshop described by the website. Another customer, Adriano Izzi, said he became worried after making a purchase. According to his review, the customer service email listed on the website returned an automatic message saying the address didn't exist. He feared he might have shared his payment information with unknown operators. Customer support that cannot be reached is always something shoppers should take seriously. There's also concern about the shipping costs. Reviewer Anna Jankowska pointed out that while the jewelry itself is advertised as free, the shipping charges can become extremely expensive when ordering multiple items. In some cases, the shipping cost may be significantly higher than the actual value of the products if they are inexpensive imports. Finally, another reviewer, Mr. James Andrew Courtney, simply described Forgefjord as a scam website advertised through social media pages. Now, it's important to be fair. Negative reviews do not automatically prove that every customer will have a bad experience or that a website is intentionally fraudulent. Some buyers may receive products, while others may not. However, when several complaints mention the same issues such as endless countdown timers, missing customer service, delayed deliveries, and products allegedly sourced from inexpensive marketplaces, it becomes wise to proceed with caution. Before purchasing from any online store offering free products, ask yourself a few questions. Can you verify the company behind the website? Does it provide a real business address and working customer support? Are there independent reviews outside the company's own website? And most importantly, are you paying far more in shipping than the product may actually be worth? Taking a few extra minutes to research can save you both money and frustration. If you've ordered from Forgefjord.com, we'd love to hear about your experience. Did your order arrive? Was the quality what you expected? Or did you encounter problems? Leave your review in the comments below to help other shoppers make informed decisions. If you found this investigation helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more scam investigations and online shopping reviews. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.